Welcome back, listeners. This is the continuation of the previous video, digital marketing versus traditional marketing. Let's see what exactly marketing is. So, marketing is a process of identifying customers' needs and satisfying those needs by delivering the product or services by creating the value for customers as well as for the business. So, marketing is to identifying needs of the customer, satisfaction of the needs, delivering product or services of a customer needs, creating value for customers. So marketing is value creation. More than this definition, marketing is value creation. Every time how a organization can create value in the product, in the package, in the logistics, supply chain, delivery, you know, e-logistic, billing, whatever it is. This is what exactly marketing. So in digital marketing, we need the essence of marketing as well as a digital tools as well. So traditional versus digital. Traditional marketing, you know that traditional marketing is phone call, then TV, newspaper, you know, internet, etc. So digital marketing is having different mediums like a mobile phone, you know other social media platforms, other tools of measuring the performance of advertisement marketing, etc. You can see traditional marketing, it was like radio, newspaper, magazine, outdoors, fax, direct mails, product samples, call calling, face to face meeting, TV, exhibitions, etc. But in the other hand, digital marketing have a search engine marketing, search engine optimization, app development, web design, video production, influential marketing, email marketing, content creation, social media marketing, branding, viral marketing. So this is what exactly digital marketing. So I have an example of a digital marketing. So developing, actually this course is a MOOC, we can consider as a massive open online course, okay, on digital marketing. So a basic marketing have this much of features like a company, business, need of the customers, satisfaction the need. Definitely marketing will satisfy or delight the customers. Other factors like a pricing, product, promotion, and a place, four P's of a marketing. But when we go to digital marketing, some tools may also use like internet, gadgets, etc. So digital tools may use for selling the courses or to disseminating the information of the courses. So another digital marketing tools are again social media, search engine, website, etc. So when we talk about traditional marketing like and digital marketing. In traditional marketing, the type of marketing is structured and clear: advertisement campaigns, service hotlines, etc. But in digital marketing, the type of marketing is unstructured, unclear, status updates, ad campaigns, blog, post, comments, social media, etc. The direction of communication in traditional marketing is unidirectional, one way, but in digital marketing is multi-directional. In traditional marketing, the scheduling of campaigns, ad campaigns are long term. But in digital marketing, you can watch like in digital marketing, the campaigns are very short and lengthy. When you get into Google, you can see 2 minutes advertisements, 2 minutes campaigns. But the campaign won't run along, only 1 week maybe. The life of that campaign is 1 week and it will perish soon. Communication with customer is like a private communication only between company and customer via email, phone discussions, etc. But in digital marketing it is public, forums, you know reactions, comments, shares, etc. Availability of a traditional marketing is during working hours only, but in digital marketing, as I said, chatbots, you can chat with any of the organization in their chatbots or messenger bots. At any time they will reply. It is automated. The language is again formal, legally safe, official, etc. Digital marketing, it is not, you know, that kind of, there is no such kind of taboos. You can use direct, genuine, personal responses, short answers, etc. For traditional marketing, the response time is less. For digital marketing, the response time is quick. As I said earlier, in digital marketing, so nowadays it is two-way communication. Have an example: if you have any kind of problem with your product, you can just tweet to the company instead of sending an email to the company or going to the showroom and filing a complaint, lodging a complaint. It's just a tweet away. You will get a direct message on your Twitter handle. By that way you can sort it out, or you can inform the organization as early as possible. So even digital marketing is used for customer relationship management as well. By that way they can retain the customer. Digital marketing is more effective in customer acquisition also. Digital marketing helps in customer improving customer lifetime period. So it can extend up to, in traditional marketing it might be 1 year, but in digital marketing we can extend up to 5 years. So that much of effective is digital marketing. So we'll learn more in detail about digital marketing versus traditional marketing in the next video. Thank you so much.